I'm Blake Jennings, the founder of OnRamp, and I want to tell you what to expect if you're going to receive a vehicle from our organization. When we go and look for your vehicle, our goal above all else is to get you something that is safe and reliable and easy to maintain. So that's what we prioritize when we're selecting a car for you. That it's safe, that it's reliable, that it's easy to maintain. We don't prioritize things like luxury or looks or features or the sound system or anything like that. So we just want you to understand when you get the vehicle from us, it may be a little rough around the edges. It's going to be 10 to 15 years old. It's going to have 100,000 to 150,000 miles. It's going to be well cared for and safe, but it may squeak and rattle some when you're driving down the road. And the paint may be faded and there could be some scratches or some hail dents or dings, and the interior could be a bit worn. There could be some tears. The radio may not work. We don't really worry about any of those things because they do not affect the safety or reliability of the car. That's what we care about the most. So if you come to us and you say, hey, my radio's broken, can you fix that? The answer is no. We can't fix that because we save our money just to focus on the safety and reliability of the vehicle. Older vehicles, they're going to be a little rough around the edges. I drive a 20-year-old car. It rattles all the time, but it's safe and reliable. That's the key. That's what we want above all else for you. Now, if you've only ever driven newer vehicles, you may be a little surprised by your OnRamp car that as it drives down the road, the automatic transmission is kind of jerky. It's kind of rough. It may make a little noise that catches you off guard. New cars with their new automatic transmissions are so smooth. You can't even feel them shifting. You can't hear them at all. Older cars aren't like that. They shift slower, they shift a little rougher. That's okay. Don't worry about any of that. The only thing to worry about is if the car could no longer shift and it can't get up to speed, or if it's super jerky, or if you start to hear a new mechanical loud noise. Then you'd want to tell us. But if it's just a little rough around the edges, that's normal for an older vehicle. Now, on the topic of noise, I want to talk about brakes for a moment. We live in a very humid climate, and it is normal when it's wet for brakes to squeal, especially when you first use them in the morning or when you first go into reverse. That's nothing to worry about. The only reason that you need to worry about your brakes is if they start making a new loud noise, or if they get really jerky or pulsate when you push the brake pedal, or if they stop working as you'd expect, or if you hear anything like a metal on metal grinding sound. Then you'd want to tell us. But if it's just a squeal, don't worry about that at all. Totally normal. Finally, let's talk about getting your car fixed. If you come to us and your car does need to be repaired, we want you to understand the only repairs that can be done while you wait is getting a tire fix at Discount Tire or getting an oil change. Everything else requires you to drop the vehicle off in the morning, and then it might be ready at the end of the day for you, but it's more likely to take 2 or 3 days to get that fixed because mechanics need time to properly diagnose the vehicle, talk with OnRamp, order the parts, get them in, do the repairs, test drive your vehicle, get it all ready for you. So please expect that every time we work on your car, it's going to take a couple days. You're going to have to drop it off. So we just want to make sure you know what to expect as an OnRamp client. We hope that this vehicle is an incredible blessing to you and will last for many years to come.